All right, welcome back to probably the final video of this rebuild. And then I'll probably just do a run video after this, but this is it for the rebuild. Today we are going to be putting on the wheels and tires. I know what you're thinking. Why would you make a video of putting wheels and tires on when all you have to do is just put wheels on it and it'll take like 5 seconds and you're done? That's because there is an issue with the front. Because I'm not using the stock wheels that came on the Nitro Stampede, I am going with a different style wheel and tire. I'm going with the RXT wheels with the Talon Extreme tires. There is a little bit of a difference in size. They are a little bit smaller, which that's okay. I'm not worried about that. I like these wheels. I like the way they look, and I want to put them on this truck. The only thing is, on the back here, on the stock wheel, it does not have an opening there for a hex nut, and these do. So I'm just going to replace the caster blocks and the steering blocks with the Rustler steering blocks and casters. And then I can put the hex nut on and mount the wheel. I'm hoping that works. If it doesn't work, you wouldn't be watching this video because I wouldn't be posting this video if it didn't work. So spoiler alert, it works. So let's start tearing the old stuff off, putting the new stuff on. So I did end up having a little issue with these casters here, and I kind of was expecting it. I wasn't too sure if it would work. I kind of expected it to not work, but if you get the holes to line up, now the holes are even a different size. These are like 2.5 millimeter holes, and I think these are 3. When you get them in there, there's no space in between there for this to be able to pivot or anything. If you look at the exploded view of the Rustler two-wheel drive, you'll notice that this bulkhead is shared between the Nitro Stampede and the two-wheel drive Rustler. So what we have to do is we're just gonna have to rebuild and just use all two-wheel drive Rustler parts. I think now this is gonna work. All right, here it is. It is finally done. The Rustler conversion on the front was successful. That's what it needed. It just needed to be converted over to the Rustler. Now, I do have a little bit of camber going on there. I'm going to adjust that with the turnbuckles. The next video will be a run video, so watch for that video coming out. We are gonna fire this up. But thank you for following along if you did through all 6 parts of this video, of this revive of the Nitro Stampede.